Are you a sad student and you're looking forward to get an admission in Princeton University, but you have so much doubts in your mind that how much score should you expect and score in your SAT attempt so that you can get into Princeton University? But don't worry, here I am to tell you about that. So basically, in previous years, the students who have got admission into Princeton University have observed that at least and lowest score of 1460 is required to get into Princeton University. Yeah, you heard it right. So particularly if I say that 1460 score, if you break it down, then you can just roughly say that you need 740 in English and 700 something in mathematics to get into Princeton University. So basically it isn't that much tougher for you if you score this, because SAT at paper is not all about essays, formulas and calculations and all. You just need to crack down your mathematics part, especially the algebraic part, the geometric part, so that you can get to know that these are the particular ways, these are the particular areas where you can score more. The same thing goes with English. If you are we're doing the reading section, if you are doing the writing section, the same thing you can break down and crack down here and score about 1460 and get into Princeton University.